Here I have HTC Desire 816, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do this, you won't actually need this kind of tool. You can throw it away. You can eject these slots just with your bare hands. So you find the hedge right here, slightly pull it and it comes out. So here you have SD card slot, here you have SIM card slot. So let's try to put it in. So you put it in like this side. Okay, we have SIM, so as you can see it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM. And let's get this card too. Okay, so let's enter SIM PIN. And to prove you that SD card is also found, let's go to some kind of files application. So let's find some kind of storage section or something. Oh, here you have storage. And here you can find SD card. Now it's here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.